Thousand Eyes Part 1. When observability with agents running in a cloud, don't try this at home. It's all the familiar warning you may have heard way too many times while growing up. Perhaps when watching an evil Kinville stunt or seeing the antics of Johnny Conzoville and Steve O on MTV's Jackass series. Instead, try observing the performance of the network between your home internet connecting and another endpoint somewhere else in the world. All you need is a thousand eyes trial account and a Raspberry Pi for Model B. Aside from the coolness of trying this at home and getting to see what is going on your network, you also get the benefit of understanding how Thousand Eyes operates. You can see if it is good for fit for you and your team, and even see how to get things going swiftly in a production environment. First, let us set the stage by describing what Thousand Eyes is so good at. The network must be down. This is another all too familiar term used by many when something is not working. It would very well be the network, but is it your network? So these days, could it be your home network, the ISB? What if it is the service endpoint that is suffering on outage instead? In today's increasingly complex technology stacks, there are so many places where things can go sideways. Enter Thousand Eyes. Thousand Eyes strengths are in providing observability in a van with agents running in a cloud on PERM or on your end host. Collectively, these agents help you find what is, or just as importantly, what is not wrong with the WAN connection. The observability it affords an insight into latency, packet loss, network hops, and BGP routing. To that last point, if you see the network is operating as designed, then you isolated the problem to domains at the edge of the network and used data to focus effort on solving the right problem. In this instance, the issue is likely the client server interaction beyond the network's influence. As such, use your thousand eyes agent to connect to a web server where DNS lookup network time in flight and HTTP page load time is assessed as a real client. Getting started with a Raspberry Pi. It is difficult to ignore the Raspberry Pi 4B. You may have sitting at home looking for a purpose in a world where you do not have a Raspberry Pi. That's okay. Do not know what Raspberry Pi is. What's okay too? A Raspberry Pi is a highly functional but low powered and low cost single board computer that runs a Linux operating system. More information is available on a Raspberry Pi website.